Engineering is not just about answering the questions. More importantly, it is about asking the questions yourself.
When a normal person look at some bridges or some engineering marvels, he says, wow. But an engineer would ask, how? This is what Spartans believe in, and this is what we try and inculcate in our students.
आजकल इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज की बाढ़ आई है, बहुत अधिक संख्या में इंजीनियर्स बन रहे हैं, पर उनमें गुणवत्ता की बहुत अधिक कमी देखी जा रही है.
Only the quality can bring in the change, not the quantity.
If you put 10 unproductive men on one side and one quality engineer on the other side, one skilled person, he's going to change the whole life. We at Spartans are going to believe in that, and that's what we are going to do here.
स्पार्टा को शुरू हुए केवल 2 वर्ष हुए हैं और इन 2 वर्षों में हमने सबको अचंभित कर दिया है.
Even though we are a new college, but our students have emerged as university toppers. You would imagine a score of 90% and above is very difficult to achieve even at the school level. But our students from mechanical as well as civil engineering branches have not just done that. They have created a university record of scoring 95% marks.
जब बाहर के लोगों ने हमारे रिजल्ट्स के बारे में सुना तो उनको समझ में नहीं आ रहा था. वो लोग आश्चर्य में थे कि ये लोग ऐसा कैसे कर पा रहे हैं, और हम आराम से बैठ करके मुस्कुरा रहे थे.
The reason behind the success of Sparta is our vision. This is what makes us stand out in the crowd.
We don't believe in pressurizing our students with theoretical knowledge. We expect them to do practical work. For instance, E equals to MC square is something that everybody knows. But someone who understands its implication is somebody who will be able to use it for the benefit of the society. And somebody who knows the practical implication will be able to score much better marks from the rest of the students.
To say that we only have toppers at Sparta would be a totally incorrect statement. Yes, we do have students who are relatively weaker, but at the same time, we have a very determined team of teachers who are dedicated and devoted to bring out the best available with the students.
जो बच्चे कमज़ोर हैं विषय में, उन विषयों को समझाने के लिए हम लोग उन्हें अकेले बिठा करके पढ़ाते हैं. यहाँ की फैकल्टीज़ उनको पर्सनली गाइड करती है, और इस पर्सनल अटेंशन में लगने वाला जो समय है, हम फैकल्टीज उस समय से कभी नहीं डरते हैं. हम तैयार रहते हैं उस समय को देने के लिए और बच्चों को मोटिवेट करने के लिए.
Everybody should work as a team. Management, students, teachers, everybody put together. If it becomes a one team and work together, we'll take everybody together in a much faster manner.
We need to understand one thing. With the progress of Indian history, the need of the Indian student has changed. Now the students doesn't think more of a national perspective. They think about a global perspective.
We also understand that the students in this part of the country, that is central India, are relatively weaker in communication skills and their aptitudes. So we make sure that we strike that very area of our students and make sure that they learn and improve on those skills.
रिसोर्सेज से फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, फ़र्क पड़ता है अप्रोच से. ऐसा नहीं कि स्पार्टा के पास रिसोर्सेज की कमी है, बट हमारी जो अप्रोच है वो दूसरों से हट करके है.
Yes, we do have a very resourceful library. Excellent state-of-the-art labs. Language laboratories, computer labs. But these are some things which are not very important to us. What is very important and of the most importance to us is our students. They are our most important resources. To excel academically for an engineer is very important. But what is more important for him or her is to become a good human being first of all.
हम एक अच्छा इंजीनियर बनाने के साथ साथ हम चाहते हैं कि हमारे यहाँ से पढ़े हुए बच्चे दुनिया में सक्सेस हों, लेकिन उसके साथ ही उनकी जो अंदर की इंसानियत और मानवता है वो भी वो बरकरार रहे और वो एक अच्छे इंसान के रूप में जाने जाएँ।
स्पार्टा में हमने एक विज़न तय करा है जहाँ पर हम ये तो सोचते हैं कि जो हमारा स्टूडेंट पास आउट होगा वो 10 साल बाद एक अच्छा इंजीनियर, एक अच्छा वर्कर तो बनेगा ही, लेकिन हम इस बात पे भी ध्यान देते हैं कि वो एक अच्छा फैमिली मेम्बर बने, एक अच्छी सोसाइटी में अच्छा इंसान बने और इस देश को आगे ले जाने के लिए काम करें।
We at Sparta do a lot of social activities like tree plantation, career counseling, supporting underprivileged kids.
We always try to make our students more mature and responsible.
At Sparta, not only believe in making good and great engineers, but we devote our attention to making them a complete human being.